Today we are going to see an LCD program with 8051. So we are using a microcontroller called as 89C51 RD2. In Philips we can see this microcontroller 89V51 RD2, but this IC is an absolute IC, so it is not rarely available till now. So the LCD we have some data pins and command pins. So the data command pins are LCD RS is connected to 1.2 of 8051 and RW is connected to 1.1 and enable is connected to 1.0. Then the data pins D4 to D7 are connected to port pins 2.4 to 2.7 respectively. Then we have two texts we are going to display, and then we are going to scroll the displays. We are going to have this LCD initialization. Initialization is nothing but we are going to declare which type of LCD it is. So we are going to use 16:2 LCD. So the 16:2 LCD is declared in that LCD init, and then we use two commands, LCD clear and then LCD cursor off. In the LCD clear, we are going to clear the display, and the cursor off will be displaying the switching of the cursor of this LCD. And then we are going to have this LCD out 1,5, text 1. So text 1 is nothing but the text called as Mucee Tech. So the LCD out will display that text to line number 1 and column number 5 of that LCD. Similarly, the other text will be displayed in line number 2 and column number 5. And then we are going to scroll the display to left and right to 7 times. Okay, 7 characters. Okay, so we are going to have for I loop I less than 8 and I plus plus. We are giving command called as LCD command, LCD shift left, and this command will be executed 7 times, 8 times, and then again we give a delay here so that the scrolling speed will be decided by this delay. Then after this the loop will be coming out, and now we are going to give a delay of 2 seconds so that the whole program will repeat again and again. So now we are going to open this FlashMagic software. So in this FlashMagic we are going to program this 8051. So using this FlashMagic we can program 89V51 RD2, and now you open the file hex file and then start. So once it is programmed, then we have to reset the microcontroller. So once it is reset, then we can see the output of the program. Thanks for watching this video. Please view our previous videos for more tutorials. Please subscribe to Mucee Technologies. Thank you.